Here's a glimpse into our hull joining procedure. This gluing process isn't the end-all be-all. We go back and tape all the way around the seam on the inside. This is just a little secret that we have. Our holes are joined inside the mold, so everything is straight and precise. Here at Oxidean Marine, we're giving you this glimpse that no one else would give you, because there's no shame in our game. We have a lot of pride in our quality of builds, and we want to instill confidence in our customers.